Replacing or installing a new door in your New Orleans home can greatly improve security, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. But the process is more complex than it might seem, and making mistakes along the way can cost you time, money, and even compromise your home's safety. If you're planning a door installation in the Crescent City, here are the most common pitfalls you should avoid. Ignoring the humid climate. New Orleans is known for its hot, humid weather. Unfortunately, not all door materials are suited to this type of climate. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing wood doors without accounting for how humidity causes warping, swelling, and rotting over time. What to do instead? Opt for materials like fiberglass, steel, or treated wood that are designed to resist moisture. If you love the classic look of wood, ensure it's properly sealed and maintained regularly. Incorrect measurement. One of the most common, and costly, mistakes is taking inaccurate measurements. Doors that are too big or too small can't be installed properly and may leave gaps that allow air leaks or pests into your home. Many DIY installers miscalculate by measuring the existing door rather than the rough opening. Tip: always measure the width, height, and depth of the rough opening, not just the door itself. When in doubt, consult a professional or have the area evaluated before purchasing a new door. Choosing style over functionality. Aesthetic appeal is important, but it shouldn't come at the expense of functionality. Some doors look beautiful but may not offer adequate security, energy efficiency, or durability. Others may not swing the right way for your space. Solution: consider how the door will be used. For example, a front door should offer both curb appeal and security, while a patio door should emphasize ease of access and visibility. Make sure the door's design fits the architectural style of your home and meets your functional needs. Improper installation of the frame. Even if you buy a top-of-the-line door, a poorly installed frame can ruin everything. Misaligned frames can cause the door to stick, creak, or fail to close securely. This is especially problematic in New Orleans, where shifting soil and flooding can affect the home's foundation over time. Avoid this by ensuring the frame is plumb, level, and square before securing the door. Use shims as needed and test the swing before sealing everything in place. Skipping the weatherproofing. In a city that gets significant rainfall and is vulnerable to hurricanes, failing to weatherproof your door is a major mistake. Skipping this step can lead to water intrusion, mold growth, and increased energy bills due to drafts. What you should do: install high-quality weatherstripping around the frame, use waterproof caulk to seal any gaps, and consider adding a door sweep at the bottom. This helps keep out moisture, pests, and outside air. Not getting a permit. If required, many homeowners assume that replacing a door is a minor job that doesn't require city approval. But depending on your neighborhood and the extent of the changes, especially in historic districts of New Orleans, a permit may be necessary. Check before you install. Always contact your local building department to see if a permit is required. If you live in a historic area, you may also need to follow additional guidelines regarding materials and aesthetics. Going DIY without the right experience installing a door might seem straightforward, but small errors can lead to big problems later. Inexperience can result in security flaws, reduced energy efficiency, or damage to your home's structure. Best practice: if you're not confident in your skills, hire a licensed contractor familiar with New Orleans building codes and climate considerations. A professional installation ensures your door performs its best for years to come. Final thoughts: installing a new door in New Orleans offers a great opportunity to boost your home's look, value, and security. But cutting corners or skipping key steps can lead to frustrating outcomes. By avoiding these common mistakes and paying attention to local conditions, you'll ensure your door stands strong, rain or shine.